Netflix is a best video streaming service, but the thing is it costly and unable to save videos as our wish. There is a solution for this problem that allows to watch and download Netflix videos completely free. I'll show it. Let's get started. First go to the utorrent.com and scroll down. Then click Download uTorrent Classic option. Here you can select you want uTorrent version. For this process you don't need go to a premium version, so I'm downloading free version. Click the Download Now option on basic plan. Then click Save. Once you downloaded, go to the downloaded location. Then install the uTorrent by Run Setup on your computer. Then setup will start to install. Now click Next. And accept the user agreement. Make sure to remove ticks from advertising third-party software and click Next. Now we have installed uTorrent to our computer. Then go to the torrenthood.com website. Here you can see movies and TV shows that Netflix released. To find a movie, click on Movies Torrent slide. Then you can find you want movie by searching on search bar. Likewise, to find a TV series, go to the TV shows torrent slide. And scroll down. And you can also search on search bar. Once you found that you want movie or TV series, click on it. Then you will notify there is a torrent download option. Under this option, click download icon to download either full TV series or one of episode that you want. Then click open uTorrent option. Now you will notify all episodes are ready to download. Then select all to download and hit the OK button. Now our videos are downloading. Once download start, you can find downloading file on your computer downloads. Hope you guys are got solved the problem. Thanks for watching. If this video helped to you, give a support and share with others. If there is another solution for this problem, let us know about it in comment section. And if you need this channel, subscribe and ring the bell, so you don't miss out on the latest with Windows 10 and another tech related things here on Brain Solution.